Hi, this is Scrappy from Scrappy's PC Repair. Welcome to the I Am Negan YouTube channel. Uh, this is the first of my videos of a series of videos that I'll be making for self-help computer repair for simple computer problems that you might run into. Today what we're going to go over is what to do if you forget your Windows 10 user password and you're running a local account, which is one that is not tied into your Microsoft user account. So you're not using an email address and password to get into Windows. You're just using a username and a password. Okay, well, the first thing you're going to want to do is to reboot your computer using a Windows 10 setup installation disk or a Windows 10 system repair disk, which hopefully you created when you first set up Windows. Uh, so let's get started. Oh, also, I'll be using my Oracle VM VirtualBox, which is a computer inside of a computer, to do these repairs videos for you guys. And let's restart. And with the system repair disk, when it first starts up, it's going to have you hit any key to boot from the disk. So now we just wait for it to load up here and give us our options, because what we're going to do here is, in order to get into Windows, you're going to need to use the command prompt. However, in Windows Infinite Wisdom, in order to use the command prompt, you need to know the user password. So what we're going to do is get around this. So once you get to where it says Windows Setup, you're going to press the Shift key and F10 at the same time and get you a command window. Now once you have the command window, you need to figure out where your Windows hard drive is located. First try C and do a dir, which is directory, /w for wide, and there's nothing in there. So we're going to try D and the same thing. This is where our Windows is located. So now we know where it is. And next, what we're going to do is we are going to change directories to users and do another directory so we can see the exact username that you're going to need to use, which is going, in my case, it's Negan, Negan with a capital N. So now that I have that, I've got to back out of where I am, so that's cd change directory ... backs you out. Do a directory, go in, change directory to Windows, change directory to System 32. Now, once you get into your System 32, what we need to do is to take the utilman exec file, and what that is a utility file that for ease of access from the login screen, and we're going to turn that into a command prompt, command window. So now what you're going to do is move utilman exec to utilman exec back. So that's how you're going to back up that file, because you need that file. Now once you have that, you're going to copy the command exec to the utilman exec file, which, while that does, is take the command prompt file and give it the name of the utility file. And once that's done, you exit. And once you exit, you X out of here because you don't really need to go in there. It says, do you want to cancel Windows installation? Yes, and it'll do a reboot. Now, it's going to reboot up to the user login screen, and once it gets there, we'll be able to access the utility menu, or ease of access menu, as they like to call it, and get ourselves into Windows. And what we're going to do is just delete the password for the user. We're not going to create a new one. We're just going to delete, or we're going to delete and then change it. We're going to change the password. We could just delete it, but it's always good to have a password on your computer. So here we go. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go in here. This right here is ease of access. So we're going to click this, and we're going to get a command prompt window. There we go. So from here, what we're going to do is a net user Negan, and then the password is just going to be 1234, and enter. Exit. Go here. Type in 1234. Take a look at it. 1234, and we're in. And it's just that easy. To delete the password, we just wouldn't have put anything in at all. So there you go, folks. How to get into Windows when you forget your password. I'd like to thank you for dropping in and watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, this is Scrappy wishing y'all a very splendiferous day. Peace.